Hey guys, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. Locked out of your Samsung phone? Maybe you just changed your PIN and it slipped your mind, or after a system update, your phone is asking for a password you haven't used in ages. It's frustrating, but don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 proven ways to get back into your phone. We'll cover a clever grace period feature in the latest One UI, the classic recovery mode fix, and how to unlock it remotely. I'll also explain how to handle that Google FRP lock if it pops up after the reset. Let's get you back into your phone. Method 1. Use old password to unlock Samsung phone. First, let's try the easiest method. The best part? This one won't touch your data. If you're using a Samsung phone running One UI 6.1 or later, Samsung has included a built-in safety net. If you recently changed your screen lock and then forgot the new one, you have a 72-hour grace period to use your old password to get back in. On your lock screen, enter the wrong password a few times. If the feature is available, the Forgot Password option will appear when the phone is locked. Tap that, enter your old credentials, and just like that, you're back in. Then you need to set a new password. If you don't change it, you'll be redirected back to the lock screen. It's a lifesaver, so definitely check for this option before trying anything more drastic. Method 2. Factory reset Samsung phone without password. If the grace period has expired, our next step is recovery mode. This works on almost any Samsung, but a quick heads up, this will factory reset your phone and erase everything on it. First, power off your device completely. You can press and hold the volume down and power buttons to force your device to shut down. After the screen goes black, press and hold the volume up and power buttons to enter recovery mode. If your device cannot enter recovery mode, connect it to a computer via USB cable after powering it off. Then press and hold the volume up and power buttons to enter recovery mode. You're now in recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data/factory reset. Then press the power button to confirm the factory data reset. Next, select Wipe Cache Partition and press the power button to confirm. Once done, select Reboot System now. Your phone will restart and that forgotten password will be gone. You need to complete the initial setup of your phone according to the process. For device security, Google Factory Reset Protection will activate after a reset. You will need to sign in to your Google account to complete verification. After completing all settings, you may restore device access privileges. If you encounter issues with your Google account, I will also provide solutions later on. Method 3. Unlock Samsung phone with Find My Mobile. You can choose to use Samsung's SmartThings, Find or Google's Find My Device. This depends on whether you've signed in with the corresponding account on your device. You'll need to access SmartThings Find or Google Find Hub via a web browser. Then log in using the corresponding account. Once logged in, select your device from the device list. As with the recovery mode method, choose Factory Reset Device. This will remove the screen lock by erasing the phone's data. After the device restarts, complete the initial setup. Extra tip: how to bypass Google FRP on Samsung phone. Once your phone is reset, you might hit one last roadblock, Google FRP or Factory Reset Protection. This is a security feature that asks for the Google account previously linked to the phone. If you know your Gmail and password, you're golden. Just sign in and finish the setup. But if you're stuck because you forgot those details too, you might need a dedicated tool like 4UK for Android. It's designed to bypass that FRP screen, so you can set up your S25 as if it were brand new. You can download it via the link described below the video. The process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes to complete the FRP removal. After restarting the device, continue with the setup. This time, you can skip the Google account verification page. And that's it. That's how you handle a forgotten password on the Samsung phone. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and Samsung guides. If you're still stuck, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.